Several years ago, I had two meniscus tears and I was referred to Dr. Crovetti. I had the actual surgery done here at the surgical suites, and then I was limping and had terrible pain, and I came back to Dr. Crovetti and he said enthusiastically, "I can fix it." And so that's when I had my first hip replacement. No pain afterwards. I recovered beautifully. And then I started having problems with the other hip. He said, "I can fix it." And I had my second hip replacement. And I had my second hip replacement done at his surgical suites. And boy, what a great experience. The staff, the comfort, just the food was delicious. My friends came by. It was just a wonderful experience. And then, of course, my knees started hurting. So my last surgery was a knee replacement. And of course, I had it at the surgical suites. And I'm recovering nicely, and I have one more knee to have replaced. And of course, I'm going to have it done at the VIP surgical suites. I find the staff to be people that are just so caring, and Dr. Crovetti is an outstanding surgeon. He cares deeply about his patients. He's very visible. He answers all of one's questions, and he just wants to see people get back in their game again. And so I'm so grateful to him.